What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house, and we got a new patient. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on your notifications, because we post every week, twice a week, Tuesday and Thursdays, and we always have some new projects, so you guys don't want to miss out. And let's take a closer look at this monster. It's a Ford Mustang GT 5.0, and we're doing a wide body on this. Yes, we're doing a wide body. So quarters and fenders. So let's take a closer look. Here's the monster. So we're gonna do the quarter panels. We're gonna have to cut some of the quarter out. Same with the front fenders. We're gonna have to cut them out as well. And we got a good looking body kit for it, wide body. It's by RTR wide body kit, so should be a really cool build. So let's pull this thing into the shop and let's start working on it. All right, we got a special delivery. This should be the wide body kit, Mustang RTR. So we'll open this up real quick and see what's inside. Alright, so here's the body kit. This is the rear, this is the front, and same on this side. And that's how it's gonna look once we're done with it. Wide body RTR Mustang. Yeah, should be fun. We'll start working on this ASAP. Okay, we got the Mustang on the lift, ready to go. So we'll start with the front fenders, probably with this one. So I'm gonna remove the emblem and use this and tape the whole fender so we don't scratch anything. Remove the tire and go from there. Alright, so it's gonna look like something like this. Not too bad overall. Pretty clean. And then they also have all the hardware for it. And then they even have the directions how to do everything. So pretty nice overall. So we'll start cutting the fenders now. So should be fun, but it's gonna look like something like this. So here's our, for the front fender, the front template. So we'll cut this out and we'll know our measurements of how it works to cut. Alright, I measured everything, so time to cut this out nice and clean. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, got my gear on, let's rock and roll. Alright, so I cut everything out nice and clean. So now I gotta mark my panel and drill holes and put screws through it. And something like this slowly coming out. And I'll be using this hardware, the screws and all the good stuff. So yeah, it should be fun. Alright, so I measured everything and this is where I'm going to be drilling my holes. Throughout the top and then at the bottom. Alright, so I drilled all my holes. Screw matches in there, goes in perfect. So yeah, throughout the bottom and the top. So now we could start marking the fender and start drilling as well. Alright, so I secured this whole panel. Now I'm gonna drill a hole. And I already drilled one, so kind of secure it. And then go around. And then I'll do this part next. So yeah, right now I'll just drill all the holes out. And we should be good to go. So far so good. Really happy how everything's coming out. Alright, so I removed it once again, so right now I gotta drill a bigger hole and then put those in there, and then this way we could just screw them in there, and that's it. Alright, so all those installed, so now we could put the flare on and we'll just screw it from the outside, and that's it. Came out nice and easy. Alright guys, so we're finished with this side. Everything came out nice and clean. Pretty good quality body kit, I would say. I like it. So we'll start with this side now. So we'll do the same. I'm gonna remove the wheel and then tape the whole side. Remove the emblem. And then start doing my measurements and cutting, same thing. So let's get to work. Alright, so we taped everything up and we put the flares where they need to be. So right now with the Sharpie, I'm gonna go around, mark everything, and then I'll start measuring my cut. But yeah, something like this. Alright, so I trimmed this side, everything came out nice and clean. So now we'll start installing the flare. So something like this. Alright, the flare is all secured. I taped it from the bottom, top, and now I could start drilling my holes into the fenders. All the gaps are perfect. Same with the line. So yeah, let's start drilling. Alright, so I drilled all my holes around the fender as well. So now I gotta get a bigger drill bit and drill bigger hole so this fits in there, and then we could just clamp it in there. And then we'll just put the screws and we're done with this side. So now I'll be using something like this kind of a tool. So it just goes in here and then you squeeze. Alright, we're officially finished with the front end. Everything came out nice and clean, perfect. Yeah, it looks phenomenal. So now we could start with the back end. Look at this side, everything lines up perfect. Really happy with this body kit, like I said before. Probably the best fitment as it gets. So now we'll start with the back end. Alright guys, so we're finished with the front end. We installed the panels, the wide body panels, cut the fenders, everything clears and good to go. So stay tuned for part 2. We'll start cutting the quarter panels and securing the wide body panels, so you guys don't want to miss out. So for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, still hit the thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.